Welcome everyone today to Chef Mo's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you one of the most common foods on the planet. It's eaten every day, all countries around the world, and in a lot of restaurants it's served and people love it. I'm going to show you not only the restaurant trick, but how they do it. Excuse me for 1 second. It's done. Grab your bag of microwave rice, invert the bottom, and you can hold that temperature for a few minutes before you actually serve the rice. But if you're going to serve it right away, go ahead and just pull the bag. Just don't leave it like this too long. Again, they will cool down quickly. So again, if you have to, invert it in the bag for a minute, then serve. Isn't this delicious microwave rice? What? That's what most restaurants do. If it's good enough for them, it's good enough for us, right? Oh yeah, you're right. No, it isn't. See, most restaurants just get packaged rice in a little packaged spice, throw it in an oven and cook it, and they bag it and microwave it for you later. Chances are of you being served fresh rice in any restaurant these days, this is a better off one, it's pretty downhill. If it's corporate, they're definitely doing it like this. So I'm going to show you the real way to cook rice, something you're not going to be ashamed to serve your family, something that's not junk. So let's do it right now. Heat up 2 tablespoons of olive oil, chop an onion, just throw it in there, give it a bit of a stir on about medium heat, medium low. Let it kind of saute and sweat for about 2 minutes before you add your garlic. Next up, 2 cloves of minced garlic go into the pan, along with a few teaspoons of salt. About 1 teaspoon should do. Just kind of give it a stir for about another minute or 2 before you add in your rice. Alright, we're seeing a little bit of brownage, that's good for flavor. Now add in your rice. I'm using 1 cup of basmati rice. Turn it to about low to medium low, and stir for about a minute. Alright, it's almost time to add your water, but I've got kind of a personal trick here. This is called saffron. Okay, you buy in a batch. This is about half the batch I've already used. It costs about $9. It's the most expensive thing on the planet. 1 pound of it costs about $1,000. Okay, you're going to take a few of these and mix them in with some hot water. I'd say, yeah, that should do enough. Mix it in with some warm water. Alright, just for a few minutes before you add it in, which I've already done, of course. It'll kind of perfume the water. And now add your cooking liquid, along with 1 bay leaf and about a teaspoon of salt. A few fresh grinds of black pepper would be nice. Turn up the heat to about a medium high. And again, just steadily stir everything together. For about 1 cup of basmati rice, I use about 1.5 cups of chicken broth. Get a good quality low sodium one. It'll really make a difference. As it boils, turn the heat down to about medium, or just a little bit less, and give it just another stir or 2. Now you can see the rice is meeting the water, so you're going to cover up now. What I like to do, here's a kind of a trick to catch some of the moisturizer. Just get a regular towel, you can dampen it if you want to. Wipe on the lid, and then again, fold it up. To be a nice way to kind of catch any of the moisture. Now put it on the lowest setting of your oven, or your stove rather, and cook for 10 minutes. Now that your rice is done cooking, just get it off the heat and onto a counter for another 10 minutes. Do not lift the lid. Rice is done, so take it out. Just kind of, your best bet is to turn it out into an actual serving dish. Don't get all fussy, you just let the grains fall, you know, where they want. If you've done this correctly, you shouldn't have any sticking rice at all. Well, it might stick a little bit, but nothing will burn. As you can see here with my pan, it all comes right out. There you go. Now you can kind of move it around just a little bit. It's a fine looking rice as far as I can say. There you have a serving of rice with a little bit of yogurt on it to make it healthier and taste better. Plus a little garden salad on the side, just something I kicked in from the pantry. Lettuce, tomatoes, peppers, spinach, all this. Got a lot of things. Good to be healthy. With my homemade vinaigrette on top, I got a very nice meal on hand. Thanks for visiting Chef Mo's Kitchen. Practice and enjoy.